Welcome to my viewers, students and guardians. Today I am going to take a class about subjective pronouns and objective pronoun, then possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. First of all, I would like to discuss what is pronoun. So you know pronoun is a word which is used instead of a pronoun. Though there are so many types of pronouns, this will be discussed afterwards. Now I am going to discuss about subjective pronouns and objective pronouns. Firstly, subjective pronouns I am going to discuss. This is subjective pronouns. I mean I, you, he, she, they, we, it. These are called subjective pronouns. Pronouns are used as subjective. For as example, I went to market. You are my students. He is a rich man. She wants to buy a pen. They love me. We will visit our place, and it is my pen. Guys, you know that pronouns are used as subject in every sentences. This is pronoun. I mean I, you, he, she, they, we, it. These are pronouns. I mean these types of the pronouns are used as subject in every sentences, and these are used at the beginning of the sentence. These are called subjective pronoun. Now I am going to discuss about objective pronouns. I think that you don't have any kinds of the problems to understand about the subjective pronouns. If you have any kinds of the problem, please write the questions in the comment box in my channel. Now I am going to discuss about the objective pronouns. I am going to discuss about objective pronouns. You know, me is used as objective form of I. Also, you will be used as objective pronoun in place of you. Him will be used as objective them. Us will be used as objective pronoun in place of we. It will be used in place of it will be used as objective pronoun in place of it. Why these are called as objective pronoun? Because these types of the pronouns have been used as objective. I think all of you have understood, about the difference between the subjective pronouns and objective pronoun. If you have any queries, please write your questions in my comment box in my channel. I will must give you the answer. Give an example. If I give you, suppose he knows me. I like you. They know him. I knew her. Rima liked them. These are called objective pronouns. As because these types of the objective forms of pronouns have been used as objective in a sentence. That's why these are called objective pronouns. I hope you are being able to understand. Now I am going to discuss about the difference between the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Please follow me. Possessive adjective. Most of the people have the problems to understand between the possessive adjective as well as possessive pronouns. That's why I'm going to discuss about these functions of this possessive adjective as well as the possessive pronoun. Example: my, you, him, her, them, us, its. For example, this is my pen. It is your bag. My is the possessive adjective. Next, it is your bag. Your is the possessive adjective in this sentence. I know him. Him is the possessive adjective of this sentence. I like her. Her is the possessive adjective in this sentence. Ram gave her a book. Her is the possessive adjective in this sentence. She loves us. Us is the possessive adjective in here. Okay, I think that you are being able to understand the possessive adjectives because these types of the pronouns have been used as adjective forms of that particular noun. That's why these are called the possessive adjectives. And to understand the sentence, it will help you to make the other students understand. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Example: the pen is mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. Next example: this house is yours. Yours is the possessive pronoun here. This computer is his. His is the possessive pronoun. This book, that book was, that book was ours. Ours is the possessive pronoun. That bike was ours. These shirts are theirs. These are called as possessive pronouns. I hope you are being able to understand. If you have any kinds of the questions, please inform me. If you like this class, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.